Namaste Guruji.
Om Sha.
Namaste Guruji. Who is thinker?
Well, a man is a thinker who knows that the most powerful asset of his life, the most precious thing, which can never be bought, which can never be borrowed, is his own power of mind. The most intricate and elaborate machine which has given so much discovery, inventions, and so much purity of thoughts has come. A lot of Yoga Sutra has come, Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Buddha Yoga Sutra, and all. So this is a brainchild of a man's brain. So the brain is your greatest friend. But brain doesn't know right and wrong. Brain has no wisdom. Brain has power. Just like atomic weapon, atomic energy. But that atomic energy doesn't know whether you can make a bomb or you can make something like a electricity generation. Or you can use those gamma rays and all these for curing patients' sickness, cancer. So the greatest asset and the supreme power of a human being is the brain. What was your question, sir? You asked some question, that's what I told you. The brain is the most important power of man.
Who is a thinker?
That man is a thinker who always uses his brain. That's why I told this videographer, use your brain. Suppose somebody provokes you, somebody insults you, somebody abuses you. Remember, Rudyard Kipling, poem If. Poem is very important. Very important. Somebody insults you, somebody abuses you. Try to analyze, introspect yourself. Give some kind of thought on that. Why is he insulting? Am I doing some mistake? If you can keep your head
You keep your head
when all about you
and all about you
are losing theirs
or losing days
and blaming it.
and living.
If you can trust yourself
If you can trust yourself
when all men doubt you,
when all men doubt you,
but make also doubting too.
many colors doubting too.
Brain. The more you think, the better you become. Newton, you see, when apple fell down on his head, it is a theory, I don't know. He started thinking what is point. That's why he discovered gravity. All these discovery inventions are the brainchild of a thinker. So it is great to reflect what we are. Why we are not sinner. Why we are absolute truth. Why we are absolute Buddha. We think. Good thought bring good results, bad thought become bad results. We don't want bad results, we don't want bad thing in our life. But look at this man. She never think. If somebody says idiot, she will tell idiot, and they will go with a danda and start beating, and then fighting starts, and then they are going to jail, or then they are murdered and massacred. Why? Ha ha ha! There is a banta, he is a danta, and you are that when Hamas attacked Israeli. Because you are a great thinker, I tell you, sir. And you are my father. Because you think he is a poor man, we should help him. That thought has come to me. His pant is yours, his shirt is yours, his shoes is yours. Because I am a broke. My project failed, Wimbledon champion daughter could not become. When my daughter wanted to go Stephen Schools of Business for dual master degree in sports technology and digital transformation, you gave 1 lakh rupees. You helped me because you think it is good to help everyone. The best thing is to help the poor. Those who deserve, that also you help. Then Dr. Satyanarayana, you were asked, Hamas did not think that if you kill 500 people of Israeli and take them hostage, Israel will be silent. They did not think, sir. The fool never thinks. Other day, this person, videographer, she heard some sound of the utensil. Other partner, counterpart, maybe she is angry, so she is hitting the utensil because it is easy to hit some utensil. No? She understood. Indirectly, she is hitting. They indulged in big fighting. 2 hours they fought, and after that they fainted. One is lying in my house, sweating profusely. Other is falling here in this ground, fainted. Has a good brain. They will remember Rudyard Kipling word. And again you repeat what is the word. If you can keep your head Keep your head.
Keep your head.
Don't allow your head to fuse. If you can keep your head, when all about your doubting, if you keep your head, when all about your doubting you, and if you trust yourself and nobody trusts you, introspect yourself. What mistakes you have done. All that I tell you, one of the oldest friends, who has been very kind to help my daughter in law. And one of the great friends like you, he said, he's a powerful man with a lot of money and a lot of muscles power and a lot of other things. Be afraid, he will attack you. I start thinking. I'm a student of all the greatest. That's why I tell them my friends. Abraham Lincoln, what he said? I don't nourish enmity. Enmity is man-made. It is our misunderstanding. I have done mistake or he has done mistake. But none of us are happy by having inimical attitude. We should sit together and say, sorry, bhai, probably I did some mistake, that's why you are not liking me. That's why you are my enemy. I don't want enemy. I want only friends. Tell me what sacrifice I should do and what sacrifice you can do so we can be good friends. And I will peace of mind, you will sleep well, you will work well, and I will work well. See, I learned from Abraham Lincoln. I call that great man. He was stunned. I told, sir, probably I have done some mistake, that's why you are not liking me, you are upset. I apologize unconditionally. Be friends, hold tight as you are. Whatever help and services you can give, you give me, and whatever service I can render you, please give me. Because that is the wisdom. See, that is wisdom. We should not create problems. I am a wise man, you have to live, I have to live. This life is temporary. The life is impermanent. In this life, we should waste our energy. You do that, Satyanarayana, sir. So many examples I have seen. So many problems you have faced with other people. You have called this person or you have went to him and told, sir, you solve the problem. Because I am very busy man, I have to treat my patients and I have to think about my children and I have to live peacefully and happy. I want to be the happiest man without much effort. Little eating, little sleeping, little small, everything. I am very contented man. But you are creating problem for me because probably you don't like me. Tell me what mistake I did that you are not liking me. I will correct my mistake because I am a wise man. A wise man always introspect, always give allowances to their grievances and clean himself and win the heart of the enemies. If this is there, sir, world will be peaceful. But they are egoists. Like Indian history, you see, the Ravana, Duryodhana. Somebody is kidnapping Ram's wife, want to have sex, and somebody is making naked of somebody's wife publicly. Draupadi was naked, made naked, and she was in menstrual flow time. You see how big insult he was doing? Because they don't have wits. They don't know the consequences. Both families got destroyed. Evil thought brings evil action, and evil action brings total destruction, annihilation. Oh.